Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits and fold it upward and fix it on the sides and put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next you have to tie the ponytail, divide the hairs after making the plaits like this and fold it upward. Now divide the hairs and fix it over the bun like this and fold it from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair clips. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix it inside the small section of the clips. Tie them together on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pen like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides and then fix this hair clip on the hairs like this. So first you have to fix the hairs in the between and then take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the space like this and tie it at the end using a rubber band. Fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Tie this hair clip on the hairs. Now roll the hairs into 3 parts and fix it inside the clips. Now tie them together and then roll it down and fix it properly using this bun pen and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Now divide the hairs from the between, fold it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you will be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a ponytail. Fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and tie it using a rubber band at the bottom. Now fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it on the sides and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs and fix it like this from the between. Tie it on the top by dividing it like this and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and fix this bun foam on the hairs. Now spread the hairs around it like this and put a rubber band over it like this. Now take the hairs on the sides and roll it and fix it using a rubber band and put this hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix it by folding it upward in the half. Now again roll it down. Tie it from the between and fix the hairs inside it and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail like this using a rubber band. Tie it half and then fold it. Now divide the hairs like this and fix the hairs inside it and put the rubber band to make a bun. Fix the hair clutch over it and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail, fold the hairs upward and fix the hair clutch in the half. Now, tie the hairs on the top, roll it down using this bun pen, fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail, fix this bun plaits on the hairs. Now, fold it upward like this and fix it from the side. Spread the hairs and put the rubber band and the hairpin over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take this bun pin and fold it along with the hairs upward and fix it and it's done. Next, tie the hairs using the fingers. So first roll it upward like this. After that, fold it and fix it using the hair clutches as shown in the video. Put the clutches and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and make a high ponytail as shown in the video. After that, we will roll the hairs as we are rolling. Now fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using the hair bun clutch like this and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.